Hi, this is Noah from screenprintexchange.com, a free classified forum for printers. So today I am going to show you an air cylinder that is unrepairable because there's no place to open it up. So try not to buy these. There's nothing over here. And this is a pressed in piece of aluminum that has been hydraulically pushed in, so you can't open it. Sometimes there's a little ring in here, but this one does not have it. I'm using a dental tool type, so I thought it maybe had like something like this, and it's a funny way to seal up a cylinder. So keep these pneumatic cylinders clean of ink over here, because that will ruin the seals and stuff. So this is a bad one. I'll probably just cut it in half and scrap it, make a little bit of money. So that's it. Just buy ones that you can repair, because it gets expensive. Thank you. Like and subscribe.